Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PlayStation, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to redeem your PlayStation Store gift card or your PSN card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved in this. I'm filming on my phone. I'm going to do this through the browser. You can easily do this on your PlayStation as well. Just for me, it's easier to film on this. So I've already bought a PlayStation Store gift card. You can buy them from a lot of different retailers. If you want to know how to buy PlayStation Store gift cards online, check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to my other video that describes how to do this in detail. But in order to redeem your PlayStation Store gift card, you're going to need this right here. It's called a voucher code. Now the voucher code is going to be usually on the email confirmation, or if you got the physical card, you're gonna have to scratch off and get the voucher code. It's 12 digits and it's alphanumeric. So here is my voucher code right here. Now let me switch over to the PlayStation website now. All right guys, I went ahead and switched over to my PlayStation Store. This is where you can redeem your PlayStation gift cards or your PSN cards. Once you're here, you will need to sign in to your PlayStation account. I've already signed in, and once you're here and signed in, you want to scroll down until you get to the section called account. It's on this gray line right here. And once you click there, you get two other options: manage account and customer support. If you want to go ahead and redeem your PSN card, you want to click on manage account. I'm going to click there now. All right guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then PlayStation brings me to the Sony website. I guess this is where the payments are handled for the PlayStation network. But in order to redeem your PSN card, what you want to do is click down here. Right here is a section called redeem codes. It has like a little squiggly pen and some numbers. Don't click on the payment management. That's not going to take you to where you need to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on redeem codes for my PlayStation gift card now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, PlayStation brings me to this section called redeem codes. This is where you're going to enter your 12-digit voucher code for your PlayStation card that you purchased online. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my PSN card number now. All right, guys, I went ahead and entered in my PSN card redeem code. Now, when you do buy these PlayStation gift cards, make sure you do not share your 12-digit voucher code with anyone, because once they've used the code, you won't be able to use it. And once you've entered in your PSN code, go ahead and click this blue next button. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you've entered in your PSN voucher code, this pops up and it's letting you know how much money is in your PlayStation Store account already. I have $5. And it shows how much you're going to have after you redeem your PlayStation gift card. So this PlayStation gift card has $10 on it. So my new PSN account or PlayStation Store account balance will be $15. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click this blue add funds button. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the redeem codes confirmation screen pops up. So you can see $10 has been added to my PlayStation Store wallet after I redeemed my PSN card code. So now my current PlayStation Store wallet amount is $15. If you decide to go ahead and redeem another PSN card code, you can go ahead and click right here. If not, you can go ahead and click done. I'm going to click done now. All right, now it brings me back here to the Sony PlayStation payment account management. So that's how you can redeem a PlayStation Store gift card. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.